What's up guys, this is Jeff from Sorta Healthy, and today's video is all about 5 tips that new personal trainers should hear. Honestly, I wish that someone would have told me these 5 tips when I was starting out as a personal trainer, but nobody did. So let's just get past that and jump right into the video. So my first tip for today is always be positive. I don't think it's possible for me to overstate how important this really is. Your clients will hopefully be coming to you on a very regular basis and seeing a lot of you. If your attitude is anything less than positive, your clients are going to get sick of you. Plain and simple. Many potential clients aren't necessarily in the best headspace when they contact you initially either. Typically, they're seeking you out so that you can help them fix a problem. That problem could be that they want to lose weight, maybe they want to get stronger, whatever, it doesn't really matter. What does matter though is that you need to be super positive and encouraging at all times with this client. You also have to be confident that you can help them solve this problem for the entire duration that you know them for. So yeah, always be positive and always be encouraging with your clients, always. My second tip is listen a lot. Yes, your client is there to see you, but don't make the session all about you and how cool you are. Of course, the session is all about them, and the best way for you to show that is to ask them lots of questions. Questions like, how are you feeling today? Are you sore anywhere? What do you have going on for the rest of the week? Can help to build rapport with your client, and it can give you useful insights into their behavior, which will help you help them. Number 3 is be willing to change and adapt. Honestly, guys, this one is so important. It's like your entire job is going to be based on how well you can adapt to your clients' constantly changing needs. I could go on and on with this one because this is really the essence of being a personal trainer. Your clients are going to come to you initially with specific goals, but these goals can definitely change and evolve over time. Because of this, you always have to be ready to change and adapt your plan. Many times your client coming in for a session will have sustained some sort of injury, probably doing something silly over the weekend, and now you have to game plan around that injury. Maybe they're just not feeling that good that day. Either way, these are things that you're probably going to have to plan around, and you're probably going to have to think on your feet to do it. You'll have clients who will cancel, reschedule their appointments, or maybe they have to travel a lot. What do you do in response? Change and adapt. Honestly, this might be the most important part of being a trainer. How well can you change and adapt to an environment that is constantly changing around you? Luckily for us, this is a skill that you can improve, believe it or not. So get used to adapting to your clients' needs early on and get good at it because it's super important. My 4th piece of advice for a new personal trainer is learn time management. This one is related to my last talking point, but it's so important as a personal trainer that I feel like it deserves its own spot on this list too. Of course, you do need to have good time management skills within your personal training sessions themselves. 99.9% of the time, you should be starting your personal training sessions on time, and you should have key components within those sessions. You should always have a warm-up, you should always have, of course, the workout section, and then you should always have a cool down within each individual personal training session. Anything less than that, and you're gonna look less than professional. There is also the aspect of time management that is far less obvious to personal trainers, especially new personal trainers. How will you manage your job, your family time, your personal time, and everything else that you have to do? This is so hard as a personal trainer because you work the hours that people aren't working. Your afternoons and mornings are probably going to be pretty busy, and the middle part of your day is probably going to be pretty dead. This can be hard to get used to, and it can be tough to find balance, but it is definitely possible. Just try not to burn yourself out so much that you don't have time to do your own workouts or get done the personal things that you need to get done. Take it from someone who's made all those mistakes several times over. It can be painful. If you feel like you're starting to go in that direction, proceed with caution and try to bring back some balance. My 5th tip for a new personal trainer, and honestly guys, it's a little bit cliche, but I feel like it's important, and that tip is just to not give up. Starting out as a personal trainer can be really hard. It can take years to book up enough to create an income that you can live off of. But if you stick with it and do the other things that we talked about in this video, it will all be worth it and you'll get to where you need to be. So to all you new personal trainers just starting out, don't give up. Be persistent, keep pushing forward, and it's all gonna work out well. That is assuming that you're doing the other things that we already talked about. But anyways, guys, yeah, that's it for today. 5 tips for a new personal trainer. If you found these tips useful or encouraging, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Heck, leave a comment down below too, that's also good. And hopefully you'll check out our next video too. Thanks again for watching.